Hello friends, hope you all are well. Today we are going to edit this image something like this with the help of free app Snapseed. First I use my mobile to capture the image. Now we open the interface and select the image. Here I will edit this image. We divide this photo into 3 parts. Using the double exposure tool, we import the first image. We carefully adjust this image and keep its opacity to 100. Going to the masking screen, now we go through the required area. Now we will import the second image. We doing the same process again. Going to the double exposure, this time we will import the third image. Selecting the selective tool. Giving the chain more contrast, it will give a better look. This is the final result. And this is the step we have done till now. If you like my work, then please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.